Welcome to this comprehensive overview of the SAP production planning or SAP PP process. In this session, we'll explore the complete end-to-end flow of production management in SAP, from planning demand to executing production orders and analyzing results. You'll gain a solid understanding of how SAP PP structures manufacturing operations, aligns resources, and optimizes production activities to drive efficiency, transparency, and performance across the enterprise. SAP PP is the backbone of manufacturing-related operations within SAP ERP. It connects production planning, material management, procurement, and shop floor control into a unified process that ensures companies can meet customer demands, optimize resource utilization, and control production costs. Whether you're forecasting demand, managing capacity, scheduling production orders, or analyzing shop floor performance, SAP PP ensures every step is integrated, traceable, and optimized. Now, let's look at how this process plays out in a real-world business like Pepsi. Pepsi is a global leader producing and distributing beverages and snacks across more than 200 countries. For Pepsi, efficient production planning is not just helpful, it's absolutely mission critical. Every day, hundreds of bottling plants and snack factories must forecast demand accurately, plan production runs, allocate labor and machine capacity, and deliver products on time to meet fluctuating market demands. Picture a Pepsi bottling facility in South Africa preparing for a major sports event promotion. The demand forecast shows a spike in beverage consumption over the next 2 months. Using SAP PP, the planning team creates production plans aligned with expected sales, runs material requirements, planning to ensure ingredients like sugar syrup, carbon dioxide, and PET bottles are available, and adjusts work center schedules to maximize output. Meanwhile, in the United States, a snack plant uses SAP PP to balance production lines between popular flavors. If a new marketing campaign drives unexpected demand for a particular variety, planners can quickly run MRP again, adjust production orders, and update capacity plans without disrupting the rest of the operation. At every step, whether forecasting demand, adjusting production schedules, or reviewing shop floor efficiency, Pepsi relies on SAP PP to deliver products to market quickly, maintain quality standards, and control production costs globally. Reflect on your own organization for a moment. Are production plans, material availability, and shop floor activities seamlessly connected? Can you respond to demand shifts and resource constraints quickly? Could a unified process like SAP PP help improve efficiency, minimize downtime, or better align production with customer needs? Let's now walk through each stage of the SAP PP process and see how it delivers value from initial planning through final production execution. SAP ERP production planning is essential for effective production planning, enhancing efficiency in manufacturing, scheduling, and resource management. Its seamless integration with other SAP modules aligns production, inventory, and procurement processes, optimizing schedules, managing capacity, and accurately forecasting material needs. SAP PP positively impacts financial reporting through precise cost control, tracking production expenses, material costs, and labor utilization in detail. It promotes cost-effective, compliant, and quality-driven production processes. With SAP PP, companies streamline manufacturing processes, increase production throughput, and consistently deliver products to customers on time, ensuring operations remain efficient and cost-effective. Let's examine the key components of SAP ERP production planning. It begins with production planning, which establishes the production schedule by aligning production processes with demand forecasts and material availability, material requirements. Planning comes next, forecasting material requirements based on production schedules and existing stock levels. MRP ensures the right materials are available at the right time, automating procurement processes. Capacity planning ensures work centers and production resources are available and optimally utilized to meet production targets. Once production orders are released, shop floor control monitors the execution of production activities, keeping operations on schedule and managing resources efficiently. Finally, reporting and analytics deliver valuable insights into production performance, resource utilization, and material consumption, empowering businesses to optimize processes and make informed, data-driven decisions. Collectively, these components form the foundation of SAP PP, driving efficient and effective production management from initial planning through to final execution. Let's walk through how SAP PP operates in a real-world business scenario, step by step. The process begins with production planning, where product demand is forecasted and a production schedule is created based on customer requirements and material availability. Next, material requirements planning (MRP) calculates the materials needed, checking production schedules against current stock levels and automatically initiating procurement if necessary. Capacity planning follows, ensuring work centers and equipment are ready and optimally utilized to meet the production schedule. If resource or material shortages are identified, SAP PP adjusts the plan accordingly. Once materials and resources are confirmed, production orders are issued. Shop floor control manages actual production activities, tracking progress in real time. After production is completed, goods receipt is recorded in SAP to update the system with the finished goods inventory. At this stage, the system also performs quality checks to ensure that the products meet the required standards. After production completion, reporting and analytics provide essential insights into efficiency, resource utilization, and material consumption, guiding improvements in future cycles. In SAP PP, a clearly defined organizational structure is crucial for effective production, planning, and management. At the highest level, the company code represents an independent financial entity, ensuring accurate financial reporting and regulatory compliance. Each company code encompasses multiple plants, which function as independent operational units responsible for managing production processes. Within each plant, production planning areas and storage locations facilitate the tracking of material availability, supporting smooth transitions from raw materials to finished products. Plants manage their production through work centers, known as production areas, which ensure resources and equipment are optimally utilized. In SAP PP, maintaining accurate master data is crucial for efficient production planning and management. Good master data helps ensure clear communication between production planners, work centers, and suppliers. This reduces the risk of delays, inefficiencies, and increased production cost. Key master data components include material master, which holds vital information about raw materials, semi-finished goods, and finished products. Bill of materials, BOM, detailing the materials and quantities required for each product, enabling precise material forecasting. Routing, outlining the sequence of operations, work centers, and manufacturing processes to optimize workflow. Work centers, representing specific locations and resources, such as machinery or labor, critical for effective capacity planning. Production versions and production resource tools defines the methods, tools, and resources used, ensuring consistency and maintaining quality standards. Together, these master data components promote clear communication, reduce production delays, and ensure cost-effective and efficient manufacturing processes. Maintaining high-quality master data in SAP PP is crucial for effective production planning. Businesses should regularly audit and cleanse data for material masters, work centers, and bills of materials to ensure accuracy. Additionally, standardizing naming conventions for materials, operations, and resources promotes consistency across processes. Automating updates for routing and work center information further ensures accuracy, keeping data timely and reliable for optimized production management. SAP PP demand management and MRP streamline production by accurately forecasting demand and ensuring timely availability of materials. Demand management uses historical data to predict customer needs, creating planned independent requirements to guide production, minimizing shortages or excess inventory. MRP ensures materials are procured efficiently by analyzing demand forecasts and existing stock. Optimized demand management and MRP process in SAP PP drives efficiency, improves material planning, and reduces production costs. By leveraging automation, businesses can streamline material availability, ensure accurate forecasting, and enhance production planning accuracy. This structured approach minimizes material shortages, reduces excess inventory, and supports long-term production success. Production order management in SAP PP ensures manufacturing efficiency by providing real-time visibility into order creation, material availability, resource usage, and production progress. It includes generating orders aligned with forecasts, verifying material availability, releasing orders when resources are ready, confirming completed activities, continuous production monitoring, effective shop floor control, and insightful reporting and analytics. Together, these components optimize operations, reduce costs, and guarantee reliable, timely production outcomes. Optimizing production order management in SAP PP not only improves production efficiency but also enhances resource management and scheduling agility. Businesses can track production orders in real time, ensure accurate resource allocation, and maintain smooth operations across manufacturing processes. Production execution and control in SAP PP ensure efficient, timely, and cost-effective manufacturing operations by providing real-time insights into production activities. This includes tracking production orders, optimizing resource utilization, ensuring accurate material allocation, updating finished goods inventory, and delivering actionable analytics. Following these key steps allows businesses to meet production goals, minimize disruptions, and consistently enhance performance. Implementing production execution and control in SAP PP offers significant business advantages, from optimizing production throughput to improving resource utilization. By configuring production orders and work center parameters effectively, businesses can streamline manufacturing operations, reduce downtime, and enhance resource allocation. SAP PP provides real-time reporting capabilities that allow businesses to track production progress, work center performance, material consumption, and production costs. These insights help in making data-driven decisions to optimize manufacturing operations, resource allocation, and cost management. Reporting and analytics within SAP PP deliver valuable insights into production efficiency, resource utilization, and material usage. Production efficiency reports highlight overall production performance and variations. Resource utilization reports offer insights into how effectively machinery and labor are used. Material usage reports help businesses closely track material consumption, maintain accurate inventory levels, and ensure procurement accuracy, significantly reducing waste. To maximize the benefits of SAP PP reporting, businesses should automate report generation to gain real-time insights into production status, resource utilization, and work center performance. Regularly reviewing production and capacity reports helps evaluate production order timelines and efficiency. Analyzing reports on work center performance and resource usage ensures optimal allocation of resources. Regular evaluations of historical data enable better forecasting, reduce inefficiencies, and significantly enhance overall production planning and resource management. Congratulations on completing this SAP PP process overview. You now have a clear understanding of how production activities are managed throughout the SAP ERP system, from forecasting demand and planning materials to executing production orders and tracking production results. We've explored key concepts such as organizational structure, master data management, demand management, material requirements planning, production order execution, shop floor control, and reporting, all tightly integrated within SAP PP. This module not only drives manufacturing efficiency, but also improves data visibility, enhances resource management, and strengthens operational agility across production sites. Revisiting our Pepsi example, think about how SAP PP empowers the company to operate complex global manufacturing networks with precision. Whether it's scheduling bottling lines in Europe, adjusting snack production runs in North America, or tracking plant performance in Asia, Pepsi relies on SAP PP to ensure production plans are aligned with customer needs, inventory levels are optimized, and costs are controlled across multiple plants and regions. Now ask yourself, could your organization benefit from the same level of integration, responsiveness, and control? Are you confident your production planning, resource management, and shop floor processes are fully optimized? What improvements could be made in your current workflows by applying SAP PP best practices? With this foundational knowledge, you are now ready to dive deeper into each step. In upcoming sessions, you'll see hands-on demonstrations of how to run material requirements planning, create and release production orders, manage capacity planning, and monitor production progress in real time in a discrete production setup. Thank you for joining this session. Your journey through SAP PP is just beginning, and each step brings you closer to mastering one of the most powerful production management tools in enterprise resource planning. Keep going. You are building skills that truly drive operational excellence.